Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize Shopify store speed. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over in here on your left sidebar. Now click on the apps, and then search in here for Flash. So once you have searched for Flash, click on the search Flash in Shopify App Store. And then from in there, it will open this new tab right here, and you can see the App Store of Shopify itself. So in here, you should be able to see all of these things right here. You can see this Flash page speed optimization. We can see that they have a 7-day free trial. Now you can also just use this tiny SEO image optimized speed. And they have a free plan available as well, or the disco flash sales as well. So for me, I recommend you to use this tiny SEO right here. And then from in there, click on this install. And once you have clicked on install, it will ask you for permission in order to successfully integrate this application to your shop. So let's just wait for this right here. And in here, you can see the install button. So click on that. And once you have clicked on that, it will install itself. Let's just wait for this. So from in here, head over and click this convert to JPG. And you can just put in here the optimized image alt text. You can make this product name as well as the shop name and all of these things that they have right here, as well as this product vendor or shop name. Now click on the save changes, and from in there, as you can see, it's been saved. So you can also head over and then update the image file name. So I'll just make this a product name, click on save, and then you can resize the oversized image. Let's just use this right here on the 1200 pixels because it is recommended by Tiny Image. Now click on the save image right here, and then in here you can just begin your journey by heading over and then choosing a trial or a plan that is right for you. We also have this enterprise right here, beginner, advanced, and year. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.